Hello, welcome to Corporate Stays. My name is Boris Block and today I'm going to show you how to check in at the 400. Before I read the building, we really recommend you to have easy access to all the codes that we're giving to you in your check-in instructions email. So then, you're good to go. Make sure to take the envelope with your right name and ensure the information is correct, such as name, apartment number, and the length of your stay. So remember to keep the keys with you during all your stay. The first key, which will be used in the main door and in the elevator, and the second key, which will be your room key. And if you have any questions about your stay, we have our executive concierge team ready to help you. Enjoy your stay.